Hi everyone, welcome to the pod. Hi Miss Melay.
Hello, Tony.
How are
Mayong
you?
hapon.
Mayong hapon.
Selamat malam. Selamat sorry.
Salamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
So that's evening, afternoon, morning.
Morning.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka. Namaste, everyone.
Namaste. And hi everyone. Thank you very much and thank you for joining us today. This is just a test run for our podcast. For first podcast for the month of March. And it's Women's Month. Yay!
Yay!
Uh,
And it's Parao Regatta.
And it's Parao Regatta season here at Villa Arevalo in Iloilo City. And we're at the beautiful Cafe Gloria at Santo Niño Sur, Iloilo City, or Arevalo, Iloilo City. How are you, Miss Mala?
Okay man. I'm good. It's very hot today.
It is
So,
very hot.
yes.
But the other day it was raining.
Yes. And the other day was very cold.
Oo.
It was very cold in the morning and in the evening.
Oh, diba?
Pero it's obviously masugod na ang aton nga kalbaryo sa dry season starting sa March.
Yes.
So wala kabalo kung ano kainit.
True.
How
Speaking
hot.
of March.
Yes.
Speaking of March, March is also Fire Prevention Month.
Yes.
Oo, so dapat ano tayo?
Be vigilant.
We are vigilant. We should be vigilant and we should be preparing ourselves, no, to ensure that we don't catch fire. No,
Literally and figuratively.
Correct. But of course, there are some fires that we can still reignite.
Okay. And
I don't want to get into the details of that for now.
Maybe later.
Yes, maybe later.
When the sun is setting.
Correct.
Yes, because it will be happy hour.
Correct. And of course, sabi mo nga kanina, mainit. No? Let's talk about the init.
Yes.
Why is it so mainit?
Why is it so mainit?
Why is it so mainit? Before like, I know you're a bit older than me.
Emphasis on the bit.
You're a bit older than me. Mga 2 years lang naman.
Yes, 2 years lang. 25 pa lang naman ako when you're 23, di ba
Yes,
la?
correct. And nung mga times siguro mga elementary ka, high school ka, ganito ba kainit? Remember mo?
If my memory, here in Iloilo City, if my memory serves me right, we used to have a sweater weather pa ya.
What do you mean?
Like, may months nga when December comes in.
Yeah.
And then January and February, sweater weather pa siya where we can actually wear sweater even during the rainy season. Pero subong ya, na-feel ko siya nga ang hot months, very, very hot na gid siya. Nga, it's, paano ko na-describe man? Burning?
Burning.
Tagiti? What's tagiti?
Like, yung sweat mo do, grabe gid mag-sweat ang lawas because of the maalinsangan.
Yes, maalinsangan. The humidity and then siguro feeling ko before, we had more greens kag mga kahoy. That's, based on sang childhood ko, sang nakita ko nga damo trees, damo kahoy. There was not much buildings around during that time eh. And then, less to no cars at all. There was only public transportation nga mga jeep lang gidya.
Na-remember ko ang meme.
Wala gidya. Maisip mo lang kung pila ka bilog ang may salakyan.
Correct. Kaya tanan ka public transport.
Yes, because tanan ka sakay sa jeep.
Correct. Na-remember ko lang ang kwan na bala inang meme bala sa TikTok na mangkot, anong year ka na tao? What year were you born? Tapos mahambal 2000 amo ni. Tapos may mahambal 19 something maka, tapos may sarsuela nasa likod or may ano na inang mga kalesa na nga picture sa likod ba?
Bo, grabe.
Grabe, nagay-money sila.
Grabe naman yan.
1991 lang
Do pre-war pa na iya.
Correct.
Oo. Tapos 90s ka lang ginborn, pero feeling mo do, ano ba yan? Oo. Jurassic or...
Sobrahan ka, nagkatigulang.
Oo.
Pero hindi, bata pa tayo. 19 lang Kuya Bala. Ang ba mong gina 23? 19 lang po.
19 ka lang? Ah, okay. So 2 years.
Naintindihan mo na yon. Pero anyway, so you've lived all your life here in Villa.
No. I lived, my childhood was sa downtown area, sa Iloilo, near Fort San Pedro.
Okay. What's your fondest memory?
Fondest memory, we had a park, which we called Rotary Park. Kaya to siya sa Rotary Club nga park.
I remember, no, I don't remember that per se, like remember that as my own memory. I saw like photos and videos of it.
Yes, I have photos. A real park, where it's a real public park where we would go. So, which is sadly subong City Mall na siya.
City Mall.
City Mall, yes. The City Mall now used to be the Rotary Park. Sa may kundiin na ang
Guimaras Sport.
Yes, ang Guimaras Sport na ginhimo ni.
Oh.
So, can you imagine? Tree-lined, green. Pagsulod mo, kids playing around. As in, public park.
Tapos ginhimo siya mall.
And then,
how does that make you feel?
Very sad and heartbroken. And disappointed sa government. And
That's a very controversial question,
yes,
ha?
Very controversial
but
siya.
that's from a standpoint of a person who actually lived that reality na may park and then eventually na transform into
a mall.
A mall. Do you think that's progress?
No, for me it's not.
Why not?
Nga hindi siya progress. Kay, ako believe nga ang progress is concretizing the whole city. Mas believe ko nga ang progress dapat is when people are walking and there are lesser cars and there are parks and greens gidya nga people can breathe bala. Oo.
Accessibility.
Nga accessibility, yes.
Yeah.
So okay, ang hambal gani I remember sa mga workshops naman before sa organization ko sa Greenpeace nga hambal nila, ang parks are a poor man's living room.
Yeah.
So, 'di ba? I mean, it's self-explanatory nga because a lot of poor people, they have very very minimum gamay-gamay sa space nila sa mga balay nila, damo-damo sila ga-star, and ang parks are the only place nga makakadto sila where they can, breathe and ang balan mo na nga maka-get away from that very cramped small space.
Miss Malay, ako I lived in Rojas. No, I grew up in Rojas, but I moved from place to place. Now I'm living in Iloilo. One thing I really liked about living here, especially in Haro, is that we have the Haro Plaza.
Now we do.
Yeah, and it's really walkable. It's really accessible.
Yes.
Tapos,
I would say kudos actually to the government nga gin-transform nila mga parks to real parks na gid siya.
Correct.
Nga before, nga very sad looking na siya, horrible looking, nga makulbaan ka actually, maglakat-lakat sa Haro before because it was dark and grimy and dirty.
And then, ang ilang ginahambal sa una, pag para ka sa Haro Plaza, hindi ka nakahalin, nga wala ka gripo sa gilid. Amo nang ilang
ambal sa una.
Ang sugid lang sa ako. Pero I didn't really grow up here. Pero since I've lived here, parang very safe. And the police visibility is really good. Although from time to time may ara sa mga kakatabo.
Pero which is I think normal lang sa biskanding kaman nga country makadto di ba?
Correct.
Pero kapati ko gyapon nga ang city gidya nga Iloilo is one of still the safest cities